Hi everyone, here we've got an ALCATEL 3X from 2020 and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source and then enter the Play Store. Now let's tap on this 3 bars icon and choose My Apps and Games. And as you can see here, we've got all updates pending, and if you want to update all of those apps, just go to the very top of the list and tap on Update All. But if you want to update only one of it, then no worries, just find it in this list, for example the Gmail, and tap on the Update button right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears, but no worries, just go back to the very top of the list. It appears right here. Now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and updated. So that's all. This is how to update apps in your ALCATEL 3X 2020. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.